everyone, and how has been your day? Welcome to another real estate talk with the Market Sparks Royale. Today we'll be talking about why bungalows are more cheaper, more better, and faster to build than terraces, duplexes, semi-detached duplexes, and fully detached duplexes. So tag along with me. Here are some benefits why you choose a bungalow anytime, any day to terraces, duplex, semi-detached or fully detached duplex. For families that have little children as toddlers, you tend to have a bungalow because it has an open plan space whereby you can monitor your children in and out. Just imagine for couples that have children below 2-3 years old, you tend to be careful, extremely careful, in order for them not to trip off the stair railings and all of that. And for families, couples or families that has adults as an aged people, movement restriction as a result of maybe their age and all of that, bungalow is the perfect choice for couples, for aged people, for elderly people. That is the perfect choice. In terms of maintenance, it's quite cheaper to maintain a bungalow indoors and outdoor of that entire building compared to a 2-3 story. In terms of maintenance, in terms of everything you need, taking care of your garden, checking the lawn, everything that has to do, it's more cheaper, quite easy and cheaper to maintain a bungalow than a 2-story or 3-story or 4-story building. In terms of affordability, in terms of space, it's bungalow all the way for me. Okay, I want to just give you an instance. Let's say you're getting a bungalow for 30 million naira, and that same amount you still get a terrace duplex for that same 30 million. If you talk about space, bungalows are quite spacious because of the open plan space that bungalow has. It tends to have more bigger rooms. 1, 2, 3 bedroom bungalow, any which 2-3 bedroom bungalows tend to be more spacious than 3 bedroom terrace duplexes. If you look at the space, the room size, bungalows are more spacious. You have this large windows, air, inflow of air, and that for me, bungalow all the way. When owning a bungalow, you tend not to just own only the bungalow, you tend to own the building, the entire building, and the land. Unlike terrace duplexes where you just own that particular unit or that particular space where that building or where that terraces duplex occupy. But in terms of the bungalow, you own the building, you also own the land. And bungalow, it gives you opportunity to have parties like family hangouts. But when you're staying in the terrace duplexes, you need to be careful. You can't just throw parties. You need to inform your neighbors about the party you want to throw. You need to take permission. It's not something that you can just do without informing your neighbors. But bungalow, you have your own space, you have your own gate, you have your own, everything is just to yourself. You are in control of everything. Unlike terraces duplex, you're not in control of it. In terms of construction, it's way easier and faster for a bungalow because bungalow takes between 6 to 8 weeks. But for a duplex, it takes 2 months, 3 months, or even more, depending on the kind of workers you're using at that site. For bungalows, once you've done to the lintel level, you've done the decking for the lintel level, you can now roof. But for a duplex, you tend to do the decking, put in, you have to spend money on sand, gravel, iron rods, and all of that. And in order for it to be solid and strong, so it tends to take longer time. If you're looking for affordability, if it's your first time of getting a property, I will advise you start with bungalow. Then you can now progress to getting duplexes. For affordability, in terms of cost, bungalow is the sure way for you. I often get those questions about, okay, I need a bungalow in Lekki Phase 1. I need a bungalow down towards Orchid, Chevron. You hardly get bungalows within that axis, except it's for personal use, as in those people that built it to stay. Reasons why you don't get bungalow within that axis is because the cost of land within that axis are quite expensive. So no developer will want to build a bungalow. You know, everybody's out, every businessman is out there to make profit. So by them doing a bungalow, because mostly the minimum you can build a bungalow should be like 300 square meters. No developer will want to just spend 300 square meters after buying a land worth 300 or 400 million to just build a bungalow. He's not going to really make profit out of it. That's why you tend to see more of semi-detached duplex, fully detached duplex within that axis or terraces. Hardly for terraces in phase 1, but anything down Oshi, Chevron, Ologolo, you tend to get terraces duplex. So if you're looking for bungalow area or axis where you tend to get bungalows more is from Shongotedo, Abijo, Awoyaya, down to Lakwe, down to Bogije. You tend to get bungalow more within those axes, and it's quite cheaper. It's very cheap in terms that it's because they're getting those lands. They're not getting it for as like the whole sum of money they get in Lekki phase 1 or Logolo, Ikate and all of that. So it's quite cheaper for them to be able to sell bungalows within that axis. And most of the bungalows you find within that axis are built on 350 square meter, 400 square meter and above. So it's more cheaper. Presently within that axis now you have bungalows selling between 25 million naira down to 35 million naira. At the beginning of the year 2021, there were some bungalows that I remember a company I sold for. We sold at 80 million naira. But as the prices of building materials tend to progress, the prices of these bungalows within those axes has gone on a rise. That's why you see the minimum you can see a bungalow within this axis now is 24 million naira. There was a bungalow that got sold out just last week. When it started selling at 28 million naira. It moved up to 34. Later, it ended up selling at 40 million naira because if you see the finishing, it's superb. So depending on the finishing, that's how pricey these bungalows tend to get. So you'll be seeing some other properties, as in some other bungalows that are selling between the ranges of 24 million naira and above. So any of them you tend to that you're interested in, you can call the number shown on your screen, and I'll be delighted to give you more information and show you around the property. You'll even be seeing some pictures of me on some sites of the bungalows that have sold and the ones that are presently selling. And if you're just joining us for the first time and if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe and please hit the notification bell to notify you when I drop other real estate talk juicy offers on our channel. And please kindly share to your family, friends and loved ones that might be in the need for a particular property. Till I come your way next time, have a splendid day and see you soon.